Autodesk Fabrication CAMduct is a powerful HVAC manufacturing and ductwork fabrication software application, as well as a production management tool used to efficiently produce HVAC systems. CAMduct uses comprehensive libraries of 3D parametric fixtures and fittings to help you meet manufacturing requirements. CAMduct includes the following features: added manufacturer content and patterns. Select from thousands of added imperial content items and pattern templates. For example, additional patterns templates, such as round ductboard, floor drains and cleanouts, vented crossovers, and plugs, are available. Material-specific nesting parameters. Users can set different nesting parameters for different materials, such as insulation, ductboard, and sheet metal, to help avoid nesting the job multiple times. Barcoding and QR coding. CAMduct supports barcodes and QR codes to add data-rich barcodes and QR codes to labels and worksheets. Database export/import. Use a single command for database export and import, as well as optional installation specifications and sections. Shared content libraries and databases. All Autodesk fabrication products share libraries and databases for more seamless estimating, detailing, fabrication, and installation workflow. Duct Fabrication Component Library. Access an extensive library of 3D parametric rectangular, round, and oval ductwork components with their associated developments. Simple Graphical Interface. An easy-to-use graphical user interface, GUI, allows both novice and experienced software users to enter job data and edits. Sheet metal and linear nesting. Advanced nesting algorithms and options help deliver better material utilization. NC writing and machine support. With post-processors built in to support a variety of machine types, CAMduct helps control your production line of any size. Advanced job costing tools. Estimate jobs based on a variety of project factors to better understand bottom line. Additional software tools. CAMduct comes with additional software tools, such as CAMduct Components, Tracker, and Remote Entry that extend and optimize functionality within the Autodesk fabrication software products. To learn more about how to use CAMduct, watch the fundamental training videos, browse the online help using the table of contents and search tabs in the left panel.